So let me show you guys how to install Ollama on Windows 11. So Ollama is used to set up AI models on your local system. So open your browser and search Ollama, press enter. Click on the official link ollama.com. So from here, click download and click download for Windows. So wait for the file to be downloaded. So our download is complete. So right click and click open to begin the installation process. So from here, so let's continue the setup. So click install and wait for our file to be installed on the local system. So our installation is complete. So from here, we can verify the installation. Come to the search bar and type CMD and press enter. In the command prompt, type Ollama space hyphen version and press enter. So, and you can see that our current version and the latest version is 0.24.0. So to get maybe the help from Ollama, or Ollama prompt, you can type Ollama space hyphen help and press enter. And you can see that you have gotten all the prompts from Ollama. So if you want to download any AI model, so you can type Ollama and press enter. And from here, so the arrow is from chat with model, so press enter. So from here, you can select any AI model that you want to download. So if you want Gamma, so use the arrow keys to select Gamma and press enter. So from here, if you want to download Gamma 4, which is the latest AI model, so you can press and select yes, and you can continue downloading the Gamma 4 AI model. So that's how basically to download Ollama on your Windows 11. Thanks for watching and see you on the next tutorial.